Welcome to Simply Cooking with Donna, and today we're going to be preparing home-style oven roasted chicken. This chicken, when we pair it with our green and red peppers, our yellow onions, and of course Simply Cooking with Donna all-purpose seasoning, it's going to have your family asking for more, and more. So let's get started. And we're going to just go ahead and generously season our chicken. You want to make sure that you get in between the joints of your chicken so that you have this delicious flavor everywhere. Another thing that you want to do is utilize your hands. And what I'm going to do is, you see I put the seasoning in the dish, and I'm going to use my hands just to generously apply seasoning to the entire chicken. Now we've generously seasoned our chicken with our all-purpose seasoning. We made sure that it covers the entire skin because you want that flavor to get in through the skin and into your chicken. You can also, a simple trick, you can lift up the skin of your chicken. If you put your hand in there, it will break away. See that little membrane? It just breaks away. You can take your seasoning just to ensure that your breast area gets a lot of flavor. You can put that on, rub it in, and voila. Now you have this the flavor of the seasoning on the inside of the chicken as well as on the outside. We're going to go ahead and add our delicious fresh vegetables. We have red and green peppers. We have sweet red peppers, yellow onions, and again, green peppers. You want to place some of these on the inside. And you can be as generous with these, or you can use as less as you would like to. I like to put them on the bottom as well so that that flavor comes through. And again, these are sweet red peppers, green peppers, and then yellow onions. We're going to go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of water, and what this water will do is help create a broth from your chicken. This broth will not only be able to be used for your side items, it'll also prevent your chicken from sticking to the dish. So I have 2 tablespoons of water, and then also remember your chicken has a lot of natural juices from its fat, so it'll render that, and this will be really delicious. How does that look? Yum. We're going to go ahead and get this foiled. I'll show you how to do that, because what we want to do is we want to utilize a tent foil method so that our foil does not stick to our chicken. We're going to place this chicken in the oven for 2 hours at 375 degrees on our chicken. And we were talking about placing our foil in a tent method. And what this method will do is prevent our foil from sticking to our chicken. You can also spray your foil with a cooking oil spray, and that'll also prevent it from sticking. But this is the tent method. Kind of pitch a tent over your chicken. You do want to make sure that it's sealed around the corners well, but you just do not want your chicken to touch the foil, and vice versa. It's a really simple technique. I know sometimes we like to make sure our foil is flat. For this recipe, you don't want to do that because, again, you do not want to have your skin sticking to your foil. Our oven is set at 375 degrees, and we'll place it in there for 2 hours. Now, during the last 30 minutes of our cooking time, we'll remove our foil back so that we can get that nice brown coating on our skin and that crispy crust. So now we have our chicken freshly out of the oven. We allowed it to cook for approximately 2 hours at 375. Now I do want to let you know that the oven temperature may vary based on your oven. So you're familiar with your oven, and if you need to elevate the temperature a little more, or if you need to drop it down, please feel free to do so. Also, keep an eye on your chicken just for the first time so you will know how it will cook, and that way it'll be to your liking. So our chicken is fresh again out the oven. It's nicely browned. We allowed it to brown for 30 minutes. Once it was done, we just pull back our foil. And so here it is, voila. Smells delicious in here. And I can tell you guys, this chicken is going to be so tender and so delicious. And as I promised you, there's a lot of extra broth that this chicken makes on its own. So when you add those 2 tablespoons of water, the chicken does the rest. We're going to go ahead and give it a try. This chicken is really tender, guys. And it's literally just falling off the bone, but it's maintaining its shape because we didn't overcook it. How's that? So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Wow, guys, this chicken is simply delicious. You and your family will absolutely love it. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Share and like our page. We really appreciate you. We thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.